two aqueous solutions. One is a barium chloride and second is a sodium sulfate. Now moving further, mix both solutions. When we mix it, we see that formation of two new compounds has done. One is a barium sulfate, which is a white PPT. So what is PPT?
The insoluble substance is formed during chemical reaction is called precipitate.
And the second compound is 2NaCl, which is sodium chloride. It is a colorless liquid which we observe after the settlement of this white PPT. So how we know that it is a chemical reaction? It is defined by the characteristics of chemical reaction. So in this reaction there are two characteristics which we observe. What is this characteristic?
There is a change in color and there is a formation of precipitate.
These two reactions is true. Chemical reaction is not of only one type. It is of different types. There are 5 types of chemical reactions.
First is combination reaction, second is decomposition reaction, third is displacement, fourth is double displacement, and fifth is redox reaction.
So you see that it is a double displacement reaction. Now moving further, can you see that there is a barium chloride and sodium sulfate. The two reactants, when this compound combine to form a product which is barium sulfate and sodium chloride. You see that barium and sodium combine, the two ions combine to form a one substance and the second ions combine to form another substance. Now you see this is a chemical reaction. It is demonstrated by us. Good afternoon everyone. It's me Dipanshu Upadhyay with my classmates going to demonstrate a chemical reaction between barium chloride and sodium sulfate. So what is chemical reaction firstly?
The chemical reaction is a process in which two substances react with each other and form another compound with their two properties. It's called chemical reaction.
Chemical reaction contains two, reactant and product. So what is reactant?
The substance which take part in chemical reaction is called reactant.
Barium chloride and sodium sulfate, these two things are reactants which give us a product. So what is product?
The new thing which formed during chemical reaction is called product.
So for demonstrating this reaction, the material required is 2 test tubes, barium chloride, sodium sulfate, wash bottle and spatula. Now moving further, take a 1 test tube and take up 1 gram of sodium chloride in one test tube to make a aqueous solution.
Here Vatsala is going to add zinc granules which are gray, silver grayish in color, and Vatsala please add the zinc granules. We are shaking the solution of zinc and the hydrochloric acid so that if I will touch the bottom of the conical flask, I will feel that the conical flask is now warm than the usual temperature. So this shows that here a rise of temperature has been occurred. Also, if we will if we will burn the top of the delivery tube, a popping sound will come. Solid in nature. When we mix the zinc in HCl, which is liquid or aqueous, then it forms the zinc chloride, which is aqueous in nature, and here we will see that hydrogen is displaced from its solution, which is hydrochloric acid, and a new solution is formed of zinc chloride, and hydrogen gas is evolved. And also a lot of heat is also evolved, so this type of reaction is also called an exothermic reaction. Insoluble product which is formed in precipitation reaction, which makes a precipitate PiO2 in a solid form. It's a yellow precipitate. And another one is potassium nitrate, which is in the form of.
Then what did you observe here? White PPT has been formed, and this compound having a white PPT, that is called a barium sulfate. Barium sulfate.
When we add
PaCl2, which is